Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm unboxing something I've been waiting for quite a while. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. In my opinion, the best multimedia device you can buy right now. It is a 12.4-inch OLED display with the 120Hz refresh rate. If you want to watch movies, if you want to game, if you want to do anything on a tablet, this is the best one to do it on for that reason alone. So very excited to see how this is, how the size is, the weight, everything, and test it. I love having a tablet, and this one is so thin. Samsung has not made one this thin and big specifically since the Tab Pro series way back in the day before the Tab S series. That was the last one that got to this range, and that was a 12.2. This one is a 12.4, and this is such a beautiful screen. Perfect size for a tablet, in my opinion. Like, this is perfect for a modern day tablet because the bezels have been narrowed down. So this 12-inch screen really just fits the bill. Power buttons at the top. You have a noise canceling mic, your micro SD card or SIM tray, Type-C on the side, quad speakers, 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and your little pogo pin for the book cover. We will be covering that as well as one of the best accessories to get, because there are going to be some screen protectors and some cases we're going to be taking a look at. So make sure to subscribe to check all that content out. So this is the pen. Now I love the pen on the last one, so let me, okay. I like it. It's longer than the Tab S6 pen. It really has that flat part where it goes on to the actual tablet to magnetically connect right here though, and that really does help with the grip. You have your button right here for navigating with air commands. And yeah, let's go ahead, boot this up. And then, so it should be right here. And I think it usually matters. Let's see. No, it actually doesn't. So you can put it either way and it will stay on there. I think it's because it's bigger. This magnet is a little bit stronger. It feels like it can't get hit out as easily, but I do have a perfect case to make sure this magnet stays on. So again, make sure to subscribe for that. Move this to the side. So what do we have here? Looks like a 25-watt charge. This can take up to the 45-watt Samsung charge, but you do get a 25-watt coming with it. Cable itself, and the SIM tray removal, as well as quick reference. And it does not look like we get any replacement S Pen tips, which I feel like Samsung's been giving you less and less in the box lately, and that is now another thing they've added to the giving less out of it. But you still get your cable and charger, at least on this one, so that's always a good thing. All right, guys, I'm gonna set this up and give you my first impressions on this tablet. All right, guys, the tablet is fully set up, and full disclosure, the first video messed up, so I've actually had this for a couple of days now. And honestly, my first impressions are this is awesome. I have actually effectively used it for conference calls and kind of my go around tablet in the office. So basically for all that I need to do, I can actually do it on this tablet. It's really awesome for that purpose, very lightweight. I'm actually using the keyboard case, which you'll see in a future video. And it really is just an awesome tablet. I've really liked it. Now, it still needs some tweaks, like I need to improve the battery life and speed it up, so make sure to stay tuned for that video. And it really, I have really liked this pen. Now, some people say it's a lot lighter, say, than the Apple Pencil, but I actually really like the weight. I like it lightweight. It doesn't need to be heavy set for me. I just like that it's a longer one than the old Tab S6. And just to give you an idea of how much bigger this is compared to the Tab S6, it is just, bam, look at that. It is just so small in comparison. So I love this nice bigger display. I'm very happy with it, especially when you compare it to, like, you know, I have the Fold now, right? So if you keep going down the line, it basically, like, I already had kind of a half of the Tab S6 in my pocket. So having the Tab S7 Plus is definitely worth it. And then when you compare both pens, yes, you can get dual pen wielding here. You have a very big difference between these two. So with this one on the Tab S6, you had a flat top and bottom and rounded on the sides. With this one, you have a flat on one side and everything else is round, and I didn't know it, but this was already a huge improvement. I love the Tab S6 pen way more compared to the Tab S4. That was one of my biggest noticeable differences. But the Tab S7 Plus, this pen is just perfect. Funny enough, I feel like this one's actually a little bit heavier, so depending on what you like. But yeah, I really, really love the size difference. That is one of my biggest things. But again, just the ability to do things. Basically, I have a heavy gaming computer as my work computer. So having that docked at my monitor and having the ability to take this around instead has been quite fruitful. I really have liked it. Make sure to stay tuned for all of our later coverage. We're gonna be giving you the best hidden features on this tablet. We haven't done any hidden features on a tablet in over 2 years, and trust me, there's so many things that you guys want to know that you don't know right now. And as well, we're gonna have the keyboard case and all the accessories, the best ones to get, including the best case without a keyboard, and that is very important. All right, guys, make sure to subscribe for all those next upcoming videos, and this is an awesome tablet. I'm very excited, to say the least. Thank you guys always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.